Medical disclaimer: the information in this video is only for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that comes up all the time: weight loss myths. With so much information out there, it's easy to get confused by all the conflicting advice. So, in this video, we're going to bust 10 of the most common weight loss myths once and for all. But wait, I will tell you something secret. That number 8 myth is the most interesting, which is at the end of our video, so watch till the end. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Carbs make you fat. Alright, let's tackle this one first. There's this popular belief that eating carbs will automatically make you gain weight. But here's the truth: carbs are not the enemy. The type and amount of carbs you eat matter. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are healthy sources of carbs that give your body energy. The problem is when we eat too many refined carbs like white bread and sugary snacks that can lead to weight gain. So, carbs themselves aren't the issue, it's the quality and portion size. Myth number 2. You need to exercise for hours to lose weight. Here's a big one: lots of people think they need to spend hours at the gym to see results. But the reality is that weight loss is more about your diet than exercise. Sure, exercise is important for overall health, but you don't have to be spending hours on a treadmill to lose weight. In fact, a combination of strength training, cardio, and a good diet is the most effective way to shed pounds. Myth number 3. Eating less is the only way to lose weight. Not true. Many people think cutting calories drastically is the key to weight loss, but that can actually backfire. When you eat too little, your metabolism can slow down, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. It's all about finding a healthy, sustainable balance. Focus on quality nutrition rather than just quantity. Myth number 4. Fad diets are the best way to lose weight fast. From keto to juice cleanses, there's no shortage of trendy diets promising quick results. But most of these are unsustainable and can even harm your health. The key to long-term weight loss is a balanced approach with whole foods, regular exercise, and healthy habits. No drastic, short-term fixes needed. Myth number 5. Fat-free foods are always healthier. Just because a product says fat-free doesn't mean it's automatically healthy. Many fat-free foods are packed with sugar or other additives to make them taste better. Remember, healthy fats from sources like avocado, nuts, and olive oil are great for you. It's the type of fat that matters, not the amount. Myth number 6. You can't lose weight if you eat out. Many people think that eating out automatically means unhealthy choices. While it's true that some restaurant meals can be loaded with calories, there are plenty of healthy options if you know what to look for. Choose grilled instead of fried, swap fries for a side salad, and ask for dressings or sauces on the side. It's all about making smart choices. Myth number 7. The scale is the best measure of weight loss. Here's the thing: scales only tell part of the story. Weight can fluctuate for all sorts of reasons, like water retention, muscle gain, or hormonal changes. Instead of obsessing over the number on the scale, focus on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and your energy levels. These are often much better indicators of progress. Myth number 8. You have to count every calorie to lose weight. While tracking calories can be helpful for some people, it's not a requirement for everyone. Instead of getting bogged down in counting every single calorie, focus on building a healthy, balanced diet with lots of whole foods and listen to your body's hunger cues. If you focus on quality food, portion control often takes care of itself. Myth number 9. Eating late at night makes you gain weight. Not true. It's not the time you eat, but what you eat and how much. If you eat a late-night snack that's full of processed sugar or unhealthy fats, then yes, it could hinder your progress. But if you're having a light, nutritious snack, there's no reason it should derail your weight loss efforts. Just be mindful of portions and choices. Myth number 10, detox teas and supplements can speed up weight loss. While detox teas and weight loss supplements can be tempting, they don't provide sustainable results. Most of these products work by making you lose water weight temporarily, not fat. True weight loss comes from a combination of consistent healthy eating, regular exercise, and time. No magic pill can replace hard work and patience. So, there you have it, 10 common weight loss myths busted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Drop a comment below if you've heard any other weight loss myths, and I'll be sure to tackle them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.